Hello friends, today I will explain about the topic muscular system. The muscular system is a complex network of tissues that enables movement, stability, posture and heat production in the body. It's comprised of three main types of muscles: skeletal, smooth and cardiac. Number 1, skeletal muscles. These are attached to bones by tendons and are responsible for voluntary movements like walking, talking, and picking up objects. They work in pairs with one muscles contracting to move a joint while the other relaxes to allow movements. Number 2, smooth muscles found in the walls of internal organs such as the stomach, intestines and blood vessels. Smooth muscles are involuntary and work automatically to control various functions like digestion, blood flow, and breathing. Number 3, cardiac muscle. This type of muscles is specific to the heart and is also involuntary. It contracts rhythmically to pump blood throughout the body, providing oxygen and nutrients to cells and removing waste products. The muscular system plays several vital roles. Number A, movement. Skeletal muscles work together with bones and joints to produce coordinated movements. These includes everything from simple actions like walking to complex movements like playing a musical instrument. Posture and stability. Muscles help maintain the body's postures and stability by providing support to the skeleton. Core muscles in particular play a critical role in keeping the spine stable and preventing injuries. B, heat production. Muscle generated heat when they contract, which helps regulate body temperature. This is especially important during physical activity when the body needs to maintain a constant temperature to function optimally. C, protection and supports. Muscles also provide protection to internal organs and support for other tissues. For example, The muscles of the abdominal wall protect the organs within the abdominal cavity, while the muscles of the pelvic floor provide support to the organs of the pelvis. Overall, the muscular system is essential for maintaining mobility, stability, and overall health and well-being. Regular exercise and proper nutrition are critical for keeping the muscles strong and functioning properly. Thank you.